Is it New Year? Oh, there goes Neiman. New Year's Eve, 2024.
That's a big one.
And the whole city. Oh, look at that, Katie. Two 2023 is over. I don't see 2024. Actually, I do see 2024 being much better.
That's the top of the tower.
It is. Yeah, I don't see the skateboard park going off yet. There we go, maybe. Wow. That's awesome. So that's one Neiman Tower right there. And then scanning real quick around. You got Taipei Gate. Whoa! Unbelievable. You know what? I think Think Park or the skateboard parks.
Think Park is the best.
Well, where is it?
That's the last one, right? The highest one. Wait.
I love you. The whole city's going off.
Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, look at that one.
Oh my God. Where's that one, you think?
Oh, definitely that one.
Taipei?
Yeah.
We got the best view in the city.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What, what, what?
The birds is in the house.
What?
Oh, the birds in the house.
No.
Fuck.
The
Fuck.
birds in the house?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Open all the windows.
Holy shit. Oh, and he's in the, honey, he in the window.
Okay. Let's get all the windows open.
By the flower.
Okay.
Open more.
I am trying to.
Stupid bird.
What kind of bird is it?
Get off. You have to stay away. He's behind you, honey.
We
behind you.
okay. We have a bird in the house.
Okay, did you see him?
No.
It's where the golf hole is. The golf hole is. He's standing by the edge. Check his.
Come on, get out of here. There he is.
Chase him out.
Come on. Shut your door. Shut your door, honey. Shut my door. Get the hell out of there.
What the hell? He did a great thing.
Come on. I know he is. Open the front door. Open the front door.
Okay, stop.
I'm missing the fireworks.
Wow.
Come on. Come on. Go. Out this way. Come on.
Stupid bird.
Come on, get out.
What?
No, not that way.